How are you? What's going on? Yeah. Ah, did you talk to him?
I tried. He's upstairs.
What's his name?
Luke.
Luke?
Yeah. The other kid out there.
How are you? I do remember you. How you been?
Good.
What's going on?
She's invading my privacy, and we found the camera, hiding cameras all around the house.
Who is?
She is.
She is?
Yeah.
And he doesn't like the idea that he found the camera in the kitchen.
Gotcha.
And he unplugged it.
Gotcha.
So now she's up and down trying to threaten him with the cops.
Gotcha.
I don't know if that's legal that she can do that.
It is legal. It's her house.
No, it's not.
Whose house is it?
Mine and his.
You was in his?
No, I'll tell you right.
No,
Okay, well,
No, you're nobody in.
it's our house.
No.
okay.
She
So
lives with us.
everybody lives together.
Okay.
So,
Right.
you know, if you want to have a camera, she wants to have a camera, she legally lives here, right? Am I wrong with that? She legally does live here.
Yeah.
So if she wants to put a camera up just as much as you can, she can. I can't tell her that she can't. I can't tell her. She should tell you. Absolutely. Common courtesy should occur.
Didn't tell us.
Absolutely. Common courtesy should go on here.
Why? Why is she doing that?
Yeah. Something you got to discuss with her. I can't tell her not to. If she wants to put it up, if you want to put it up, again, you guys live here. There's no law against her putting up a camera in her house.
He wasn't going to give it back to her.
Okay.
She wanted it right there and then. Like,
Gotcha.
And then right away she took
Gotcha.
it.
Okay. I'll talk to her because she wants me to, but he's not in trouble just the same as she's not as far as I'm concerned. I can't tell somebody that they can't put a camera.
I'm calling you guys for every little thing. It's embarrassing.
Yeah.
It really is embarrassing.
I see what you're saying.
You know what I mean? Like, this is the third time you're here. Like,
Yeah.
I've
I've never been here before. I've never been here before this. You know, is this, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I've been here 10 years. I'm embarrassed.
I got you.
I'm my house. I'm my house now.
I got you.
I'm
Luke is yours?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to talk to him. You stay here. Stay here. Stay. Luke!
Hello?
Hey, how you doing, Officer Hammel?
How you doing?
What's going on, buddy? Can I just talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, what's up?
I just talked to you.
How you doing?
Can I come up and talk to you? That way we have privacy?
Stay there.
Why do you have a knife in your hand?
Because I don't want
All right.
to come close.
All right, well, you got to put the knife down.
I prefer not.
All right, well, you got to put the knife down now. Relax, 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 and put the knife down. Headquarters, one a gunpoint, knife in the hand. Put the knife down on the floor and get on the ground.
No.
Put the knife down on the ground.
Prefer not.
Put the gun down. Put the knife down now. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Tell headquarters. What is going on? Talk to me. Why are you upset? Okay, that's fine. We will work through this. You need to put it down and let me talk to you. They're allowed to have a camera. You're allowed to have some common courtesy as well. Okay? Relax. Put the knife down and talk to me. Well, what is your problem? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? Talk to me. Talk to me. You didn't do anything wrong right now. So talk to me. Why are you upset? You want privacy? You're entitled to your privacy. And I explained that to them. You're not wrong. You're not in trouble for taking the camera. All right? You're not in trouble for taking the camera. You're not in trouble at all right now. And if I was you, I'd be upset if somebody had a camera in my house as well. Okay? I'd be upset too. There's another way around this, though. Whatever you want to do.
Any units near Woodland Area 1?
Whatever you want to do. There's other ways around this. Talk to me. Come on, buddy, talk to me. There's other ways around this. You're upset at them in a living arrangement. I've spoke to you before. I know you're a nice person. Spoken to you before, too. You're a nice person. Talk to me, buddy.
21, I'm working that way.
Come on, talk to me.
Come on, bud.
You didn't do anything wrong. You're not in any trouble right now.
21's around.
All right? You're not in any trouble right now. Tell your to put the knife down. Stay right there.
She's leaving, Luke.
She can leave, and we can leave too.
Luke,
We can all leave together.
Luke, she's leaving for good. Luke.
We can
We'll
all
leave together.
I can.
This is all workable still. Still all workable. We're still all workable. Come on, Luke.
Talk to me.
We're good. We're still good. We're still good, Luke. Talk to me.
Come on.
Please, she's leaving.
Get her.
Everybody out of the house.
Right here. Go on.
Luke, talk to me. Come on, we're still good. We're still good. You want privacy, you're entitled to it, Luke. Come on, buddy, talk to me. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. That's good. Take a deep breath. We're good. We're still good, Luke. You're entitled to your privacy, and I want to give that to you. I want to help you. Come on, buddy. Talk to me. Come on, talk to me. Why you're upset about the camera, right?
She's
Not allowed to have the camera. I talk. Luke.
51284, shot fired.
Drop it. Drop it. Roll to your stomach. Roll to your stomach. Roll to your stomach. Roll to your stomach.
Stomach, Luke!
41, you hear that? Shot fired.
I can't get his hand. I can't get his hand.
All right,
I got the knife. I got the knife. I got the knife. I got the knife.
Bring it out here.
21, you received that? Received on mark.
Pull him down. 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 Pull him down.
Come on.
Roll him over. 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 Headquarters first aid medics, have them step it up.
Careful.
Get everybody out.